Hello, dear friends, and today I have prepared a real find for you, and it's called Flux. I am sure that you will really like this project, because personally I am delighted with it. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave comments. Let's go! The Flux Ecosystem is a suite of decentralized computing services and blockchain-as-a-service solutions which offer an interoperable, decentralized, AWS-like development environment. Flux utilizes a native proof-of-work coin to power this ecosystem, providing incentive for hardware hosters, governance on-chain, and bad actor mitigation via staking requirements for running hardware. The Flux operating system runs on top of Linux to provide the network with verified and benchmarked high-availability compute power and utilizes the blockchain to ensure transparency in governance operations. Flux node operators can choose from 3 tiers of hardware requirements to stand up after providing the necessary Flux capital soft-locked in their wallet. This allows anyone to be rewarded for providing hardware to the network from anywhere in the world. Unresolved blockchain needs. Ignoring the overwhelming number of blatant Bitcoin/currency and /masternode projects that litter the space without contributing new features or ideas, there is still a huge number of projects aiming to solve a small handful of blockchain problems. Competition between projects to solve the same problem is always healthy, but this can negatively impact the speed of new, emerging technologies being introduced to the world. The next generation of blockchain technology requires answers to these problems along with a set standard approach to implementing the technology and package its use into a digestible set of tools for current and future developers. Flux has built these necessary development tools to speed up the usage of blockchain solutions through creating real-world use cases and the underlying technologies necessary to build these products and platforms. The Flux ecosystem has a plethora of current and future technologies to offer the world, and we are always working on adding more features to our offering through partnerships with other crypto projects in the space via strategic partnerships and our Flux Labs incubator. With these partnerships, we will help speed up delivery of usable blockchain products to the masses in easy-to-use applications and projects that are currently working on single, large-scale blockchain problems can save time and resources by leveraging the Flux network for scalable, decentralized enterprise-grade hardware resources to allow them to focus on their own projects. Partnerships will also help bring together the fractured crypto space to create an ecosystem of complementary products that work seamlessly together. Flux Core Alpha, bridging the infrastructure gap. Influx Technologies Limited is set to release the alpha version of the much-awaited Flux Core, a PUW client application that encapsulates our vision of a decentralized world. The need for technology infrastructure has grown and evolved spontaneously over the past few decades to match new modern requirements. Integrated graphics chips, which used to be the standard years ago, for example, have given way for the more powerful and versatile GPU cards. Playing a game that lags on your PC? Need to speed up a video rendering that is taking too long? How about boosting your home server and enabling it to handle more intensive tasks? GPU cards offer a higher level of performance and more. Beyond personal needs, however, computing resources have proven to be a major requirement for powering research, businesses, enterprise, and institutional needs. Cryptocurrency mining, deep learning algorithms, machine learning models, and enterprise servers all rely on significant computing resources. The global GPU market as of 2022 was valued at $40 billion and projected to reach $400 billion by 2032, growing at a CAGR rate of 25%. Sadly, most of the hardware end up underutilized and become obsolete within a short time frame, contributing to the growing problem of e-waste in today's world. Our cloud infrastructure needs are dynamic, they vary with time and the tasks at hand, but the capacity of the hardware powering these needs are measured statically. This disproportionate balance between supply and efficiency gives rise to the scalability dilemma that emerging technology sectors now face regarding the availability of computing power. On the one hand, we have vast underutilized computing infrastructure. An estimated 30% of the hardware in data centers lie idle, and while the gaming GPU market is worth over $2.73 billion, the average gamer only spends about 8.45 hours playing actively per week. On the other hand, a recent report from Andreessen Horowitz noted that AI companies spend more than 80% of their total capital on compute resources due to its high cost and scarcity. These obvious gaps in supply and utilization also holds true for businesses and other use cases. Imagine a scenario where hardware production is optimized customized to meet actual needs and utilized to its fullest potential. The increased efficiency would reduce costs and conserve precious resources, and the reduced amount of e-waste would greatly benefit our environment. Flux nodes are what really differentiate Flux from other crypto projects. There are many projects that offer masternodes via low-powered nodes that process transactions. Flux nodes turn this idea on its head by requiring highly available, enterprise-grade hardware, along with sufficient Flux collateral to operate on the network and provide real, useful computing power to the network. Operating a Flux node is also available to anyone with the required Flux and hardware, making the network actually decentralized both in who can run a node and the geographic location of the nodes. At the time of writing, there are over 11,500 Flux nodes in operation spread across the world with hundreds of unique node operators. The concept of Flux nodes emerged from a discussion about how to positively scale a decentralized application development and smart contract network such as Ethereum. Projects like Lisk, Neo, and others have been able to do so. However, they face considerable consolidation away from being decentralized, instead only offering nodes and development tools to a limited group. This consolidation of ownership also hampers scalability considerably, as evidenced by Ethereum's multi-year endeavor to figure out how to get above 25 TPS. Ethereum is aiming at upwards of 1 million TPS, so it could be a slow road. With Flux nodes, the goal has always been to have thousands of potential nodes operating on the network, allowing anyone to participate, and solve the scalability issue through available raw processing power. WordPress on Flux Cloud, the future of web development. Our platform combines the world-renowned WordPress CMS with the latest Web3 technology to bring you unparalleled website performance and security. WordPress is a popular content management system that powers a significant portion of the internet. It is a highly customizable and flexible platform that allows users to create and manage various types of websites, from personal blogs to large e-commerce sites. Running your WordPress on Flux allows you to enjoy lightning-fast website speed, automatic updates, and high-level security, all while having complete control over your website's design and functionality. Our user-friendly interface makes website creation a breeze, with pre-built WordPress themes and customization options to suit your needs. Build your website with confidence using the world's first Web3 WordPress hosting platform. Say goodbye to unexpected charges, overages, and limitations. Our platform is designed to provide seamless and hassle-free hosting so you can focus on creating and growing your online presence. Zelcore is the multi-asset crypto wallet and platform. It offers custody management of over 250 cryptocurrency assets, along with over 25,000 digital assets on the Ravencoin, Neo, and Ontology asset layers. Zelcore also offers built-in trading services of major centralized exchanges, Binance, Kraken, Bittrex, and QuickSwap services, CoinSwitch, InstaSwap, Changelly, Kyber, etc. This allows users to mine, store, transact, and exchange a huge number of crypto assets within the same secure, easy-to-use application. Zelcore is available for Windows, macOS, Linux, and mobile versions for iOS and Android. Upgrading and maintenance of Zelcore is made easy by having a single code base for each device type and has a strong team of beta testers checking each release. The platform utilizes a unique account system scheme based on a username and password combination secured by salts and additional security features. The username password scheme was chosen to provide convenience for the end user compared to other wallets that rely on impossible to remember combinations of random words or characters. Parallel assets. We have made the Flux asset more accessible, tradable, and interactive with the DeFi space by doing strategic airdrops of Flux-based assets on other major chains. Snapshots are taken of current native Flux holders' addresses, and the new tokens are claimable via the Fusion app within Zelcore. Furthermore, GPU miners and Flux node operators earn parallel assets on top of their regular block rewards through parallel mining. At the time of writing, parallel assets have been released on Kadena, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Tron, and Solana. The parallel assets are tokens on those chains and can leverage DeFi and any other options available on a specific chain. More parallel assets and blockchain integrations will be released as new DeFi products emerge and stabilize into reputable service platforms. To participate, crypto users only need to be holding Flux. Flux stake for Flux nodes is automatically captured in the snapshots and available for claiming within Fusion. The guys are also represented on all kinds of exchanges where you can buy tokens or at least just to price them. In general, I advise you to pay attention to this project and study it well after watching this video yourself. And I also advise you to study their website and documentation there. Everything is very clearly described, and also the media tab where you can read a little more about the life of the project as well as in social networks, guys. In general, run to learn everything on your own. I think it's time to call it a night. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave comments about today's project. That's all for now. Goodbye.